Happy Mother's Day, everyone. It's Janie from the League-Kempner House, and I am not there because it is actually about 5 o'clock in the morning, and I'm down at the Lucas Apartments in the carriage house, one of them. One of our volunteers is coming tomorrow to spend a week, and this place is not ready. It is a disaster. I've been stripping beds, moving all the furniture. It's just a gross, disgusting mess, and mostly because we've been doing some construction out here. There's a window that got boarded up, and I guess I should start over here. We had to get these sashes out because they are in decent shape but have some rough spots, broken glass. Work needs to be done to them. I don't even know if I showed you that or not. Anyway, they're a mess. I need to work on them, strip them, get them repaired, and then get the frame repaired and get those rehung. And then in this other window, there used to be a window unit air conditioner, and it was broken and letting in a lot of hot air. And so I bought that new window at the Houston Architectural Salvage place that was going out of business. So that's been installed. I need to scrub it, get the blinds back up. But as I said, it made a huge mess in here. Everything is just covered with dirt. I mopped a little bit of the floor just so I could walk around and not track so much stuff. But I've got to do a lot of just scrubbing and cleaning in here and get it put back together. So I'll show you an after. Let's just start with the messy before. And I could do it a little bit later in the day, but I've been awake since 3:30 because there was a little bit of a rat issue in the main house that we've been fighting, and I caught one in a trap last night. Unfortunately, he did not die, and so I had to deal with him, and I'm a little traumatized, so I'm wide awake. I laid there for another hour or so and decided to heck with it. I will just go get this done. So anyway, I'm going to hit pause, do my scrubbing, and then I'll come back and show you the after. It really is cuter than this, but it's a big mess right now. All right, not perfect by any stretch of the imagination, but it's clean. All the furniture is put back where it goes. I hung the blind back up over that plywood, so that looks nicer. We didn't have a blind for this, and we had just a partial blind because the AC being in that window, so I need to get a blind. But in the meantime, I found an old curtain to hang over the sheer to block some of the light from the street light. I still need to hang up a picture. But our little kitchen area is back. I've got to fix the door over there. I need to fix this window. I need to fix the fireplace. A lot of chores still left in this building, but it's functional and we use it quite a bit. The bathroom's cleaned up. Pardon my wet footprints on the floor. I was in here scrubbing the shower. Now the shower's all nice and clean, and everything's about as good as it's going to get. So fresh linens, fresh towels, everything's working. The stairs are cleaned. I still have my termite issue down here, so this is still torn up, and I'm still getting termite frass on the stair, so I still have drywood termites. I've been going board by board trying to locate them, but it may be time to tint the whole building. So anyway, that is it for today. Sorry it's so short, but it was Mother's Day. It was the GHF home tour yesterday. It was a gorgeous day. My girls came down and we went touring houses. So we will be back next week painting our shutters at the League-Kempner House. So until then, I'll just leave you with a quick look around the Lucas carriage house.